Hey man, say man, let's get straight into it, man. Hey, but now hold on. I do got an announcement. Hand all in your face, ain't it? Boy, get your hand back out my face. But listen, I got a big announcement, dog. Listen, for real. If this your very first time trading live with us, man, if this your very first Asia session, man, I got a big announcement. You alright?
Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party.
Alright, let's not let another second go by, man. Let's get straight into it. You know what I'm saying? Every day, every night. Alright, man. Shit. Another day, dude. Another freaking day. Another day on this motherfucker. Another day on this motherfucker. Another day. Another day, another dollar. I told her to spin. Ain't gonna get a hat. Every day. See, it's like, which trend line would you be? Would you, you know, like, would it have to be two? Like one right there and one right here? That's just too much, bro. Alright, let's check volatility, man. So let's say we go to short. This is 6 points right here. I ain't mad at it. Seven points, 10 points. I think 6 cool with me, bro, on this type day or whatever session, or 6 fine. Cause if it's going slow, hey, ain't nothing wrong with 3.5. You get what I'm saying? Every day. we're just in this little death range right now, you know. I feel like since we popped up, we're just consolidating before the next pump up. That's what I'm thinking, dude. Let's go payout. Payout alert. Payout alert. Bruh. This should be slow motion. It'll like slow motion spike and then slow motion spike and then spike up and down range and like way bigger than this range. All the way to like New York session and New York session spike. It's like, bro, Asia session low key this week has been ass. You know, maybe not necessarily ass, but it's been slow motion, low volatility. Opa! I didn't think it would, but price just respected this 1 minute order block, bro. So we're about to be coming, look like we're coming down deeper into this Am Est stack. So we just respected this one, touch, go. That was a beautiful 6, honestly, to be real with you. Bang, 6 just hit, literally. Right? So then the next one is this one right here, which you probably could bang 6 on. Yep. If it's gonna go lower, swing low right here. So in order to get to this swing low, we gotta pull back. So I think I'm gonna go 6 here, y'all. I got my 6 pointer set up already. 7 lots, 420 wrists. You ready? Alright, I'm in. I'm in, shorty, bud. Let's see if we can keep this going down. First trade, we are in. Let's just see, bro. 41.27s, yeah, that'll smack our TP. Did I say 41? I meant 51.27s. Yeah, let's just keep it going down, bud. Because the real pivotal part of these MAs is, I mean, it can stop here, pop up the worst time. But I think it's going to go lower, even down to this green, if not even lower. Because there's a 5-minute order block down here. Boom. 5-minute order block all the way down here. So it can honestly bleed all the way down, for real. So that's why our 6-point target could easily get hit for a couple of little reasons. This swing low, gotta get hit. What else I had? Get down to this green MA, gotta get hit. All that is a stop. All that's after our target. You get what I'm saying? I just don't want it to go to 51.40s, of course, before we go down, because it's a little cluster up there. But it's also a cluster down here at our shorts at 51.27 at our targets. So let's just see, you know. Y'all see how the MAs, right? Green up under, price was up till right here. Price start coming down, and then the green start flipping. The green start becoming the top one now, and that's when MAs are spread out, and that's when you get your smooth trend direction. Another reason why we should hit target. And we're just falling off a cliff. Eventually, this slow grind is going to be ended with a long boner candle pump to somewhere, even if we're still going to go up higher. Taking me higher. So we follow this downtrend, we hit target. If we want to start changing characters and stuff like that, like above this block and stuff like that, it's probably gonna hit stop pretty quickly. But if we hold this block right here, bro, we're going straight to target. Taking me higher. I actually don't like seeing that. The position thing, I don't like seeing that. Come on. Let's go to the 50.29s, 51.29s before the 51.40s. Please. Please. Yeah, the fact that it's back, yeah, that little last little pop was not good. We're definitely probably about to hit the 51.40s. So if this block is out of play now, we can still be fine with this one. So let's see. But if we blow through that, of course, and that stop. And we'll be at -1 R. If we hit target, we'll be at +1 R. Taking me higher. Give me that reject, then tank. Hey, reject, then tank. Hey. Bro, 5129s, bro. God. 5129s, bro. Watch this shit shoot the 5129s so hard. Right there, bud. So if this is a wall of sellers, that'll be great, and that's where price will start speeding down through with speed. Order block double tap with 100% valid. Now let's see if we make new lows and blow through this 5129. Taking me higher. Here we go, man. Fall off the cliff, man. We're about to hit 5129s. Our target is at 26.8, so the 27s. So yeah, I really needed to blow through 29. So if we hit 29s, I'll go to break even on this trade just to manage it. Cause there's really nothing under the 5129s for it to like blow through. And I don't know if that's good. So it could stop there and reject all the way back up. Let's see how much I'll be up at the 29s. We'll be at a little over half an R. We'll be at a little over half an R. So when we hit that alert at 5129s, I'm gonna go to break even. But yeah, I feel like, okay, now we're loading up at 5125. So yeah, bro, it should blow straight through our shit, bro. It's building up just to blow straight through it. Let's go. Taking me lower. Zena said, listen, if you're gonna sing it right, bud. Here we go, man. 5129s when you hear that alert. It could go straight through. Taking me higher. I know lower. I know it's lower, but the song's stuck in my head. So just chill on me. Just chill on me, Woody. Yeah, pull back one more time because we're about to blow through the 5129s. Here we go, dude. Straight drop. So we done hit this 5-minute MA cluster once. Now we're in the second one, bouncing off of it. This big wick down. Now we need another big wick down. We don't want it to bounce hard right here, bruh. Cause bro, if it gets back up there, bro, it ain't holding this block again, bro, and it's gonna blow straight through it. And I'm just being 100% real. As much as I don't want that to happen, but just, you gotta know what price is doing. You know? To taking me lower. What if this shit still goes down, bro? They're still there, man. 5129s, but they're still there at the 5139s, and that's right at my exit. And that'll put us negative 1R. But if we hold and keep lower, you see how 6 points is kind of a big range right now based on the volatility. Alright, we're back in this order block, y'all. Let's see if it holds it again for us to the third time. They usually don't hold 3-4 times, bro. You feel me? But let's see. But I'm not surprised if we just spike up to our stop at 138.8, which is a cluster at 139. And we're holding the 5-minute MA over here on the left. But let's see, man. Like, nothing over yet, man. We just gotta see. I keep saying that. But that's all we can do, man. We just gotta see, bro. Like, bro. It'd just be really nice if you just went down, you know? Big sellers come in. That'll be, like, super nice. Wow, we rejected that order block for the third time. Wow. We might be blessed. Yeah, we might be blessed. 5129, here we come. Bro, y'all, we are blessed. Watch this shit. Straight tank. Watch this. We are blessed, y'all. Watch this shit. We are so blessed. Here they come, Zena. It's about to happen fast. Remember, at 5129, I'm still going to break even. I feel like now that we done built up, bro, we're definitely blowing through 5129s now. Yo, that 5129 order just lifted, bro. That means it's about to fall off a cliff. That 5129 right here just lifted. It's not even there no more. So that means there's nothing to stop it, and it's gonna blow straight through it.
I hope so. Okay. Yeah.
Cause it's a wall right here at 134s. Did it hit yet? 134s, right? It's really 133 and a half. So right there, boom. Pull back to that. Now we're about to fall. Here we go. Watch this shit. Watch this. Here we go. We're about to fall. Watch this. In the next 3 minutes, we're about to be dancing. Before 10 o'clock, we're about to be dancing. Watch. 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 Before 10 o'clock, we're about to be dancing, praising. Alright, this trade has been forever, bro. Golly. I'm grateful, though. I'm super grateful. Super grateful. Because here we go, boys. We are so blessed. Yo, we are so blessed. Remember, when we hit 5129s, I'm going to break even. It's a blessing to be out at break even. If it hits 5129 and come back up, that'll be a blessing, y'all. Remember, we got 3 more minutes to be dancing. Let's go. Bro, they lifted the 5129s, bro. That's a good thing, bro. I think. Is that a good thing? Yeah, bro, like if it's like no man's land. If it's no volume, those are like, you know, low volume nodes or whatever where it just blows through. This gonna be the block right here. This the block right here that's gonna take us home straight to TP. That's the one right there. It's not gonna go higher than there. It's not gonna go higher than there. Here we go. We're about to fall off a cliff. We're about to fall off a cliff, man. I'm telling you. We're about to fall off a cliffy. A Clifford. Yo, we are so blessed. It's about to fall off a cliff, y'all. Watch this. We just came deeper into this order block. As long as we reject down, man, let's go, man. Straight red candles we're about to see. Let's go, bro. Yeah, dude. It's looking. Hey, come on, man. You are. Every night. Bro, it keeps popping up. Why do you keep popping up if you're popping down, dude? Why are you popping up if you're popping down, dude? Yo, this is the last stop before TP. Holy crap, let's go. Every night. Bro, why are you popping up continuously? Alright, so y'all, there's a lot of orders still right there at the 5140s, right there at my stop. And that 5129 orders are gone. So I don't know if now that just changed the magnet to up versus down. Because it's just no volume right now coming in. So that's why it's stuck in the range. So whenever we need the sellers, of course, to step in, and that's when it's going to just melt. Because the buyers ain't going nowhere, right? Freak, bro. We're halfway to stop. And we're back at this miracle order block again, bro. No way. Bro, no way. This trade is a roller coaster, bro. What? Bro, the fourth touch. Dude, it's destined, bro. The buyers aren't doing nothing. Stop, stop, stop. Yeet. We're finna tank. Like, it has to. Like, it's... What? Buyers would have been broke and put... You know what I'm saying? Like... Y'all feel me? Bro, same candle, we're back. Yeah, we're cooked, Chad. We're cooked. There it go. 3. Hold on, 5140s. It stopped at the 38s. We're at the 0.8s. Yeah, we're cooked, Chad, probably. Dude, I swear. This is wild. The way they rejected up there to 38s, though. Dude, what a roller coaster this one freaking R is. Yo, look at the wicks on the 5, bro. Every candle has just been wiki, 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 wiki. Give me a wiki and go downy. Give me a wiki downy. Alright, we got some activity right here, right under current price, about 45 orders. So let's see if there's sellers that'll push it down. If it's buyers, and of course we'll get cooked. Here we go. Oh shit, they're filled. Are they buyers or sellers? 51 sales just came in right there. So it looks like sellers. But let's see though. We'll know where the price goes. This is crazy, y'all. This is bananas. Oh my God, that 45 are sellers, bro. We gotta keep going, yes. Break all this shit. 1, 2, 3. Same plan. We hit 51.29. I'm going to BE. No. Oh, I should have went to BE then, honestly. Damn. But it's cool, man. We're seeing this shit through, bro. This shit is doing some crazy shit, bro. Ah, fuck. That's not a good rejection, y'all. That's not a good rejection. That's not a good rejection. That's not a good rejection right there so far. And the next cluster is at 39 and it's about to hit. Oh, we're done. We're done. We're cooked. We're cooked. Oh, what was that? Dude, I could have got out at BE. It still ain't hit my stop, yo. What the world? Yo, it still ain't hit my stop, chat. Bro, that cluster, it barely grazed at 8.6. My stop is at 8.8. What? If it filled those orders and they're going to go down from here, what? 2 ticks? And if it goes up, of course, that's fine. Because I'm just 2 ticks away. Bro, if you give me this edge of stop loss of doom to go to TP, I'll be forever grateful. Bro, but look at this chop slop. God dang, I got caught in it. I caught the bottom of it too. Holy crap, dude, this is suspenseful. Bing! Fuck you. Dude, it can feel that shit and still tiz ain't. Alright, that's a so that's an X. That's a L, 1 R X. Alright, well fuck me. Damn, that was a long ass trade. And it went nowhere, bro. Alright, we're down 1 R. 1 R. 1 R. Yeah, I'm Twinsky. I don't know, man. Bro, what a fucking 1 tick of doom to fucking hit me out, bro. That's so wide. Get rid of this one. Bro, what, bro? Alright, so we gotta watch it, bro. We're at this 5-minute MA tap now. I honestly think we should be long, bro. Yeah, I'm Trimsky. I got 50-50 on my icky blicky. Yeah, bro, we're curdling up on the 5, bro. That'll just be a fake out of doom if it goes down. I like this wick on the 5-minute 6-point pop or a 6-point retracement was more likely. So we can go off the touch of this MA. Price comes back to this MA real tightly right here. I can put my 6 in right there. Low pullback, and I'm going long too. Damn. They wanted me more aggressive. Now we're breaking this level of the 39s. Damn, that 5 minute right here was super valid. 6 points, bink. Don't even think about it. Just get in. Alright, I'm still valid on the MA touch. Definitely. It'll be manual too. Bro, that's 6 points? That's low-key huge. That's why that trade took fucking forever. It's huge on a fucking 10-point range. 53 to fucking 30. 43 to 30. That's a 13-point range. From the high to the low. So we need half of that shit to hit up for a TP. Yeah, I'm twin. So, bro, remember they lifted this order and then the price magneted up. Notes, 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 notes. And then it went to where the order stayed. Crazy. Yeah, I'm Tramsky. I'm going long at the touch of this MA. Just waiting for a pullback, bud. It can happen quick, so be ready. Come on. A little lower. A little lower. Alright, I'm in. Bro, what a shitty feel. What the fuck? Damn, I gotta do a limit. Alright, we're in our second trade. Let's see what happens. Dude, 6 points right now is kind of big. I might go to 4. Because 6 points right now is kind of big for this volatility, you know? It wasn't as bad. It wasn't as big when we first got on. That's kind of weird. That's crazy, actually. 5145s. Big cluster of orders are there, and our target has happened to be right there. So that's perfect, bud. We're now on the buy side, respecting 1 minute order blocks, 1 minute order blocks, 1 minute order blocks. So now we're in a 1 minute order block, risking 6 points with a shitty entry. But we're cool, man. We're going to get our 6. But yeah, 6 points is kind of lengthy. Like, that's a good thing for our stop. You know, like, that's a good thing for our stop. Like, we have plenty of space. And I honestly don't even think that shit is accurate. The way it slipped me. I know that shit is not no fucking 6 points. Exactly, bro. Like, come on, bro. Why that shit playing with me, bro? 41.55, 51.45. Here we go. Yeah, I'm Trimsky. 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 Yeah, I'm Trim We're touching the MA again now. See, like, that should have been our TP, bro. You get what I'm saying? Like, I feel like we're in too long on this trade, bro. On this volatility. Like, you get what I'm saying? 4 points is plenty, bro. 4 points would have been smacked us. And where was I at over here? Well, we still wouldn't have hit 4 points over here. But this would have recovered 4 points. But with a perfect entry. So sometimes, bro, I'm gonna put a fucking limit there. And then I'll do the position up and down. Cause that manual entry, bro, just low key fucking LARP my shit. But our take profit is here. And it can easily, of course, hit the highs and extend trend. And that's what we was waiting for. So low key, I really wasn't even supposed to take that sale. Yes, we were in profit. It didn't even hit full TP. But I honestly wasn't even, I got probably FOMO'd into that, no lie, for real. I mean, it was respecting. It respected this one. It did respect this one. But not fully. Held this one once. Held this one twice. Shit, held it 3 times. And then LARPed us. Boom. But my original plan was to, this is the pullback, just wait for this shit to flip over and take 1 minute order blocks. And take 1 minute trades. So yeah. So it's like now we're on the right side. Kind of a shitty entry in the middle of the range technically. Because they can still do whipsaw, not break lows, and still go up, you know? So it's like we're kind of in la-la land right now, kind of. With the shitty feel. But let's see, man. I think we're still on the right side. And if it just LARPs all the way down here, bro, to the fucking stop, then okay. I'll probably end it at -2 on the night. And just, that's it. But guess what? We're gonna hit fucking take profit, boys. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, give me those points. I want every single point. Here we go, TP hit, baby. Here we go. I can see the future. TP's about to smack, boys. And if it doesn't, they're LARPing us. Every day. Y'all need to come and get a lick back. Lick back. Every night. Every day. Zena said, "Oh my God, That was at 10 o'clock. What happened at 10 o'clock? Oh, that's when it popped back up on us. Fact, Xena. This trade hits TP. We'll be back at break even on the Dizzy. But it ain't over yet. It's not finished. The job is not finished. Dude, they're LARPing me at the door. Alright, there we go, bud. Alright, guess what? I'm going to 4. I'm about to go to 4 points. 4 points. And I'm going up to 10 because I need 400. Got it? So you see what I did there? Wait, what? 4 points, 4 points, 4 points. 4 points, $400 a pop. We're at break even. The next trade that cashes out at 4 points will be a 1R on the day. And I'll probably just end it there. But 4 points is way more achievable right now than 6. Like, look at this right here. Like, that's a 4-pointer. That's a 4-pointer right there. Like, literally 2-3 minutes. So, we'll try to catch another 4-pointer. Not another, but a 4-pointer. And we'll call it a day, man. There's the highs up there. So, if we get another MA touch, you already know the deal. You already know the dealio, bro. I'm gonna kind of go ahead and put my thing there so I can be kind of quick. Y'all, I'm actually gonna do a limit. Alright, let's limit this shit. I don't want to be, bro, them ticks are crucial, bro. I need those ticks. You get what I'm saying? When we're trading like this, bro, very calculated, very strategic and shit, you need those ticks, bro. That slippage shit could have damn near wicked me and then come back to stop loss or some shit. 2 ticks away, 3 ticks off, you know. So I got my limit right before the MA. All right, we're in it. We're in it. So now I need to sell it here. I'm selling it there at my 4-4. So let's go 4-4 right here. Boom. I have to do it manually. I'm choosing to do it manually. So if I'm buying, I'm selling to get out. All right, here we go. MA touch, 4 points, put us at 1R on the day. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. If we lose, we're in our 3rd trade. If we lose, we'll be down to 1R on the day, negative 1R. Let's see what price gives us, dude. Dude. Y'all need to come and get a link back. A link back. A link back. Every night. What was that phrase? It's a nooning. Y'all need to come and get a lick back. Can anybody say take profit?
You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish.
That's it, baby boys. 1R check mark. Hey man, W's in the chat. All I really want y'all to do, WPNL in the Discord, man. Hey, beautiful session. We took 3 trades in this shitty ass whatever, but we waited on it. I shouldn't have larped in the sale. I larped in the fucking sale. I should have just waited, or we would be up 2R. That simple. And you see how we adjusted from 6 to 4? Y'all see how you gotta adjust? 6 still would have got hit now, but that's an extra 2 points that I ain't have to wait for. Little shit like that. So you gotta know when to gauge your, cause like look, bro, that's plenty of space. If you're holding negative 5-6 points on gold, bro, you are damn near risking too much on your trade, right? Because you're just letting your losses run, bro. That's not good. That's not good trading. WPNL, let's get it, Xena. W360, WPNL $74. That's it. Go to the Discord, live trading profits. Let's go, y'all. That's how you freaking do it. The goal is to get 5 pro accounts on Take Profit Trader, making 400 a R. 200 a R, doesn't matter. If you make 200 a day on 5 accounts, that's $1,000. That's $800 take home. You do that 5 times a week on a streak. We're on a streak right now. We actually just went undefeated this week. I'm gonna explain it in a second. 8 times 4. Let's say 4 days out of the week. 8 times 4, bro. That's 3,200, right? 3,200 in your bank, bro. In 1 week trading. In 1 week trading, y'all. Let's say you're going to you do that consistently now every week, bro. I said only $200 a day. I'm showing y'all right now $800 a day on average with 2R, with $400 risk. So at 2R, if you risk 200 each, that's a $400 a day. On 5 accounts, that's $2,000. Now you're putting $1,800 in your bank account every day, 4 days. That's now $8,000 in a week. Do y'all understand, bro? Copying your accounts is the fucking new money glitch. Do y'all hear me? Coach Kelso, W1400. Let's go. That's it. That's all I want y'all to do. WPNL in the Discord. W, how much you made, how many R you're up, whatever you want to say. But no, let me wrap it up real quick. So today we finished at 1R. It was kind of slow and shit, so we'll just stop at 1R. Guess what, y'all? We're up 3R this week in Asia. We didn't trade that much in Asia. Last Sunday night, I took no trades. But that's when I kind of had this brain fart about all these 4-point, 6-point scalps. So after that, we've been on fire in New York and Asia. So my New York session, well, it doesn't matter. Asia session, the next day on Monday night, we called a 2R. So we're up 2R plus tonight's 1R since we didn't trade last night. We're up 3R for Asia total. And if I'm doing 400 a pop, that's $1,200 trading Asia, only taking 3 trades this week. Do y'all understand less is more, bro? I had to fucking learn that. Less is more, bro. It sounds insane. Less is fucking more. The traders who taking 5 trades a week, 10 trades a week, not per day, those are the traders who got their fucking head on right and making payouts, plain and simple. So I just kind of had to lock in and learn that, bro. Like, that's one of my little things that I'm literally learning and growing in front of y'all face. So also my New York sessions, do y'all know we've caught 2R every single day in New York this week. Every single day. So count it out. That's 2R on Monday, 2R on Tuesday, 2R on Wednesday, 2R this morning, Thursday morning, right? And then tomorrow we're going to shoot for 2R and end the week off at 8R. No, I'm sorry, at 10R on New York session only. And then if you add my 3R on Asia, 10R is already 4,000. Add 3 more R, that's another 1,200. So we're talking, what I just say? 4,000, 5,000, 5,400. No, 5,200. $5,200 this week, and I didn't even well, that's tomorrow. That's tomorrow. if I hit 2R tomorroor. So I don't usually like to count money before I make it. That's a bad habit. So I'm gonna just write it off. Right now we're at 8R, 11R on the week right now. But we're shooting for 13R on the week, and that'll be, you know, it's just simple money. It's just simple. It's just simple. I added the chart I made the other day to the profit section in Discord. You did? Just now? Oh, yeah. Man, this... Hey, let's go. Ernest, hold on. Let me read your Discord. Ernest showing love. Ernest said, man, this 6-point EMA, 3 EMA shit is really something and too easy. Can really grow an account if you're not too greedy. Right. Right. Guess what, Ernest? Too greedy and just being on the wrong side, right? Because why am I shorting if we're holding the 5 minute? You should only be focused on the direction that the 5 minute is going. Until the 1 minute flips over, we're not taking any longs. If we did that, y'all, we would be at 2 to 3R on the day. Just that simple. Just that simple. And if I didn't have 6 points, the first 2 trades, just little shit like that, But yeah, man, let's do it. We're doing it. Hey, let's do it. We're doing it. You dig what I'm saying, twin? So yeah, man, let's go, bro. I can see the way I'm trading right now. We're about to go on a crazy run, like a crazy win streak. My last win streak, I fell short at 29. And then the one after that, I set a goal. We're going to hit 30 days in a row. That streak, we went up to 37 days in a row. And I wasn't scalping. I was taking like banger, $500 to $1,000 bangers type shit. Like, I was on that type of run. Now, we're about to be chill, very strategic, R to R, less exposure on the market. Bro, I'm making more, holding the trades less, risking less. That shit is really crazy, bro. All you need is a 1-to-1 R, a 1-to-1 R to R system with a high win rate. You're profitable. That's it. Do y'all notice we're doing this in an hour? My average session has been 30 minutes and under, y'all. You look at the time. It's 10:30. It took me 30 minutes to take the first trade. Then after that, we done took 3 or 4 in the last 30 minutes. When we get nice price action, nice volatility. Y'all, this is how you can come on the chart at any time of the day for 1 hour. Commit to 1 hour. But that's max. If you're done in 15 minutes, 2R, 1-1, be done. Guess what? You're done. You don't need the whole hour. But if it takes the whole hour, bro, from 9:30 to 10:30, that was my goal. I was trying to get off here about 10:30. And I could have did that, right? So, you know, just got to make the right decisions, bro. That's trading. So, all right, man, I'm done talking y'all head off, bro. I'm finna go to sleep. I got to get ready for New York session in the morning. So let's do it, man. What are the EMA we use? It's the 9, 17, and the 27. The 27 is the bigger one, of course. That's the one I have lime green, and I have it thick, the second thickness. The other two, the 9 and the 13, or the 9 and the 13. Yeah, 9 and the 13. I have those two on one thickness, and I have it black. So you want to make sure you can see visually that your big MA is under, so we're looking for longs. You want to visually see that the other color MA is on top, and we're looking for shorts only. Got it? So that's kind of why I do that. Man, this shit is, bro, I do this shit, bro. This shit is really crazy. I'm really doing this shit, bro. I dreamed of this shit, bro. Being able to get on charts and call shit live consistently. Bro, this shit is fire, bro. So let's do this shit, man. We're out of here. Beautiful Asia week. We low-key went undefeated, 2-0 out of the 4 days. We take that. Technically 3-0 because I didn't trade the first time. We didn't lose. So shit like that. So guess what? Get ready for another week. Actually, I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm gonna tell you right now who's here. Baseball season has started for my son, and they're practicing a lot right now. Like y'all saw this week, I had to edit the times 3 times this week. So next week, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you. Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and fucking Thursday night. I don't even trade on Tuesday nights. So 3 days out of the 4, we're gonna have to go to this 9:30 shit. Got it? That's just kind of what we have to do. But when the season starts in a couple weeks, that's when it'll be like regular. It'll be like regular. We'll have 2 days a week. So it's fine. Either way, bro, we're going to get on here whether it's 6 p.m. or 9:30 p.m. depending on my schedule. But I also warned y'all before y'all joined. My schedule is flexible based on my life. That's why I always didn't want to do Asia, because it was hard to commit to an exact time every day. Because my shit's different every day during different times of the year. So it's hard to explain. But I'm here making it work for y'all. Got it? It's got to be flexible. Y'all be flexible with me. I can be flexible with y'all. If you can stay up till 10:30 every day, you can get this money. And if you can't stay up, you need to be staying up so you can get this money, so you ain't got to go do what you got to do in the morning. So why you got to get up? So why you got to go to sleep? That didn't make no sense. But you get what I'm saying. If you sacrifice some sleep hours to catch sessions and learn, eventually you won't have to get those sleep hours instead of session, because you have to work in the morning, because you're not going to have to work anymore. You get what I'm saying? We have to sacrifice to get to the next level, y'all. You have to. Something has to give for you to get. Got it? So yeah, man, let's fucking do it, bro. Excuse my French, man. Let's get out of here, bro. I'm out, y'all. Let's go. So I'm going to see y'all Sunday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. Let's go.